Crypto investment fraud. Cryptocurrencies have often proved to be a very lucrative investment. Now, fraudsters are taking advantage of those high expectations to swindle people out of their money. Scammers often pose as investment managers, celebrities, or even love interests online and contact you out of the blue, offering investment advice. They promise you huge returns on your investment with no risk. Introducing the coin of a new promising project, scammers create fake sites where the victim loses their funds by transferring money to a specified wallet. Once the money is in the fraudster's hands, they disappear. Alternatively, you could end up in a fraudulent pyramid scheme in which earlier investors are paid with money from their later investors, while the fraudsters take a cut. Fake crypto exchanges and wallets are another common fraud tactic. You register and send funds to your new wallet, only to discover that there is no real wallet and your money has disappeared. Another technique is to persuade many victims to invest in a new crypto coin, often endorsed by a celebrity. The coin's value then sharply rises. Then the scammers sell their stake and the value plummets. How can you protect yourself against these crypto investment scams? 1. Take your time. Fraudsters will often try to make you think that you need to act fast or you'll lose an opportunity. Don't make any hasty decisions. 2. Do your own research. Do a background check on anybody that contacts you out of the blue. Check the legitimacy of any websites, platforms, or new coin offerings. Any cryptocurrency should have a decent white paper behind it and a traceable history. 3. Remember, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. Nobody can guarantee big payouts with no risk. Promises of free money are always fake. 4. Finally, don't send money to anyone you're not completely sure about, and never share your account details or your personal wallet key. 5. Use a reliable security solution like Kaspersky Premium to help prevent both known and unknown cryptocurrency scams. We all secretly want an easy way to get rich quick. Crypto investment fraudsters play on that desire. But nothing is that easy, so don't be fooled.